Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna make some beef jerky out of ground beef. I used a little bit of seasoning, added some freeze-dried coffee, some Hershey's cocoa, and the W sauce. So I mixed that up about an hour ago into some ground beef. Mixed that, I didn't bore you with that. A lot of people have different tastes and different recipes, so y'all do y'all. And this is what we got going on today, a little brisket seasoning. So I got this little jerky gun off of Amazon. I was watching a video about deer meat and how tough it was, and they grind it to make the jerky a little bit more tender. So I didn't really care for deer meat, but this is what we're going to do with the hamburger meat. We're going to try it out. I've done a few batches already, and it's turned out great. Summer sausages has to come with the kit. It's a pretty neat little kit. So we've got a little funnel here. It helps with, it keeps those threads from getting all gunked up. Get your gloves. Boom. There we go. And we're ready to pack it up, guys. So got a little air packer there. They don't like the air in there because when you squeeze it, it spits it out. So try to pack it in the best you can. Grab it. I found kind of like grabbing it and forming a little bit of a shape like that. It slides down in that hole a little bit easier. Pack it down, and you're good to go. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. No air. All right, put your attachment on. So leave that loose a little bit so that way you can kind of adjust that the way you like it. So I found these little wire grates on Amazon also. They're little jerky grates. They're perfect, man. They lay down flat, and you can lay down some strips on that thing. I've done a few batches with them, and they're still holding up great. Gonna give it a couple pumps, and we're ready to roll. Once you get it started, there you go. Nice and slow. Just a nice consistent flow. Nice and slow. You're gonna get to the end there, you're gonna pinch it off. Bam. I'm gonna speed this up. Knock these out. All right, these look great. So we're gonna load these up and take them out to the smoker. Here we go. Beautiful day in Houston today. All right, we got the Traeger all warmed up, 190. If we're done, it'll probably go down about 170. Let's load it up. All right, looks great. Load your timers up, 4 hours, and we'll check them in a minute. So people ask me what I use for my smoker. I like the Traeger pellets. They work the best. Flavors, I've tried them all. This Reserve is actually really nice, man. It's got an apple, a cherry, and whatever the heck Artisanal hardwood is. But it works really good. I like the flavor. So I got to clean up, man. Happy wife, happy life. That's what Grandpa always said. This thing works great. The kit comes with these attachments. Cleans up real fast. Bam, 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 and there we go. Let's take a look out here. What we got? Y'all could smell this. 2 hours, so we're gonna peel them over, flip them. That way you get a little bit of better even cooking. Just pull them up a little bit. They stick just a little bit, but then they flip real fast. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the ones on the middle and put them on the outside and outside in the middle for a little bit better even cooking. Looks great though. Y'all could smell this now. Let's set it for another hour and we'll come back and check on them. Alright guys, it's been another hour. We're going to come out and take a look at this. Look at that. We're ready. We are ready. Alright, let's grab these things up and we will get inside with them. Alright, let's break them up. Man, these things smell great. Alright, you spread them out a little bit, let them dry out. It's 97% lean meat, dude. Man, there's not a lot of grease. It'll dry out pretty quick. Ta-da! That is wonderful. Thanks again. Like and subscribe.